Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back in teardown. See, we can go down to the what's it called? Blue Tide. Yeah, look at this. I can buy drinks, whatever. Look, they sell stuff. Yeah. Okay, let's just get to the main part of the game. The main point of this game is to destroy stuff. Let's drive a truck into some. Let's do it. See, good driver. Oh god, professional driver. I'm just got struck into the concert. Oh god. Ooh, something explosive, I think. Is this explosive? Oh well, it is. I played like 100 hours of this game. Let's shoot it with a sniper on a pizza van, whatever it's called. If I can even climb onto the pizza van. Let's get on this, whatever this, I didn't see what it is. Oh, that's not even the thing I'm shooting. It's right there. Oh! Well, I shot it. Let's go burn it down. Let's get a blowtorch. I'm not gonna be using much of the not add-ons, mods I have. Yeah! Screw this concert. The reason why I'm doing this is because they played a song I didn't like. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. And let's go inside the mall and see. Let's check around this. I've been in this map many times, but there's some new stuff I haven't really explored. That's cool. Forgot about that. It's very annoying to get food, but they're pretty cool. This doesn't work. Oh, that's bro. My character's like strong. Oh. Go through here. I have an idea. I'll use the big flamethrower for this. Yeah. And then you just leave. But by the way, if you haven't seen my previous video on teardown, it's like I'm gonna like I don't know. Should go watch them. I was about to say I'm gonna send it to you, but I just realized that's kind of stupid because I don't know you. I'll put like a little. So I don't know, it's gonna be somewhere like at the top left, right. Could be down even. I don't know. What is this? Consumer grade key card reader. Oh, I thought it was okay. What do I do with it? I'll just knock it over. Here, just gonna put that in there. It's gonna be safe. Cause it's in a safe. Get it? Haha, I'm so funny. Now it's safe. I'm gonna steal this Lamborghini. How am I supposed to get it out? Probably. Okay. It's fine. It's stuck. I need to get it unstuck. And I know the one solution for this. A bit too far. Damn, look at it. Oh damn! The fire reached from all the way there. Just make it bigger a bit. Damn, this place really burnt down. Oh, well, I wonder what this could. Oh, there's my llama. Yeah, stuck in the tree. I was actually stuck in the tree. I thought this was gonna go straight into the water. Oh, water. Something that could be destroyable, which is wood. Idea. Getting a bunch of good ideas. This stuff. Why is it not falling yet? Oh. Still not falling. What's holding it? No. What? That's boring. I was doing something safe. Let's put one on this door. Close the door. Alright, and kaboom. Awesome. Okay, now what could we do? Oh, the mall is on fire. Oh, wait. What? I don't remember or don't recall setting anything on fire up here. Yeah. Else could I do? What else could I do? Can't pick up anything in here. So why not we just blow everything up? But I'm not gonna attempt to say that word. Cause I have no clue what that word is. Alright, that's kaboom! That was so big and knocked this over. Oh, it destroyed this whole entire place. Why is it not spreading? What the hell? What the frick? Come on. Oh, how can I make this? Well, not gasoline, it's the just room. Fade away. It just stops. What? Why? This. Oh, wait. Uh-oh. Oh, I need to run. Oh, God. Oh. Huh. Okay, so I was right. Well, I'm gonna get in there. Yeah. Okay, so I specifically hit something directly in the middle to make it explode. That's cool. What's an oven? What if I shoot an oven? Okay, something happens. Okay. That is just like a flash, like a flashbang, but when an explosion that kills you. Okay. Okay, so I'm pretty sure that I saw a propane tank in there, but I just kept shooting because I'm stupid. Let's burn this. Just directly in the middle. Stupid as well. Let's burn this car. Let's burn this car. Oh god, I'm actually burning it. Let's burn you. No, it's on fire. Let's set you on fire. Let's just set everything on fire. All the cars. And Teardown is like the best game ever. Ever since it came out, I wanted to play it badly. My brother had it, but I barely got to play in it because it was his laptop or computer. But still got to play it, very fun. And now I have it, and it's the best thing ever. The game could get boring sometimes because you don't know what to do, but yeah, mostly I play this game just for like this stuff. But anyways, just keep blowing stuff up. Kaboom! Just place a bunch of them. Kaboom! I need it for it. Actually, no, I don't. Actually, no, I do. That's it. There. Just place a bunch of them, like 100. And kaboom! Oh, that made it really laggy. Well, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. I think it went long enough. So, anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed. This video was a lot of fun to record, at least for me. And if you want to see more, comment, like, or subscribe, and I'll make more of this teardown videos. And I don't know, just the same thing. If you want to see more, do those things. And I am gonna be making different videos. If you want me to do horror, I'll do horror. Maybe, if I'm not that scared, but I might do horror. I might get a friend or two, or never do it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I guess I'll see you all next video. Bye bye. Oh god, I'm about to die. Okay, okay, but anyways, bye bye guys. And I just died. What a good ending. Bye.